Hi everybody, my name's Steve, I'm from Cruising Our Way, and welcome to my Quantum of the Seas interior room with virtual balcony. As we walk into the room itself is sized the same size of an interior room. It's just got the virtual screen there. At the present, the bed's set up as a king size, so it can be separated into two singles. Just walking back to the door, as you entered, you will have your AC controller and also where you put your card in to activate or power the room. The bathroom is a standard bathroom, great size shower with the dome door, and everything else is well sized out and good amenities as well. Moving into the storage side of the room, this is your hanging cupboard. Within those cupboards also there is some more shelving, drawers down the bottom, and your safe. On the other side of the room you've got your desk and your chair, all your PowerPoints, two USBs and one Euro, flat screen TV, kettle on this cruise. This was an Australian cruising. On one side of the bed you have a US plug, and on the other side you have your telephone. And then again, as we turn around, you can see the virtual screen there, which can be darkened out by just closing the blinds. Full length mirror, and then some more storage there. Fridges in those cupboards as well, and just more drawers for you to store stuff. I hope you have found this video helpful if you are choosing an interior room on a Quantum class ship, and thank you so much for watching.